video, we'll be talking about why is productivity important and also how can we 10x productivity. First of all, let's discuss why is productivity important. Productivity is important for a variety of reasons. It allows individuals and organizations to achieve more in a shorter amount of time, which can lead to increased efficiency and effectiveness. High levels of productivity can also lead to increased profits, competitiveness, and success. In addition, being productive can help to reduce stress and increase job satisfaction. How can I be 10x productive? There are many strategies that can help you increase your productivity. Here are 10 strategies which you can use. Number 1. Set clear goals. Having a clear goal in mind can help you stay motivated and focused. Number 2. Prioritize tasks. Make a list of your tasks and prioritize them based on importance and deadlines. Number 3. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of the task that will give you the most results. Number 4. Make a schedule. Plan out your task in advance and stick to a schedule. Number 5. Take breaks. Taking breaks can help you recharge and come back to work with fresh energy. Number 6. Eliminate distractions. Identify and eliminate sources of distraction such as social media or email notifications. Number 7. Use tools and technology to your advantage. There are many tools and apps that can help you manage your time and tasks more efficiently. Number 8. Seek accountability. Having someone to hold you accountable can help you stay on track and meet your goals. Number 9. Get enough sleep. Make sure you are getting enough sleep to stay energized and focused. Number 10. Stay organized. Keep your work environment organized and free of clutter to help you work more efficiently. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.